Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of castor oil, a natural elixir that's been cherished for centuries. Buckle up because we're about to reveal the magic behind using castor oil before bedtime. First up, let's talk about dry, rough spots. Elbows, knees, and heels. We've all been there. Castor oil is your secret weapon. It hydrates and softens those stubborn areas, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. Ever heard of the oil face cleansing method? Mix castor oil with a gentle carrier oil like olive or coconut oil. Massage it onto your face to remove makeup and impurities. Wipe it off with a warm, damp cloth, and voila, fresh, clean skin, calling all acne warriors. Castor oil is a game changer. It reduces inflammation and keeps your skin moisturized. Say goodbye to those pesky breakouts. Dreaming of lush brows and long lashes? Apply castor oil before bedtime. It promotes hair growth and thickness. Your peepers will thank you. Got scars? Castor oil to the rescue. Gently massage it onto scars. Watch them fade over time. Plus, it's a preventive remedy for those tiger stripes, stretch marks. Have joint pain? Massaging castor oil into sore joints before bed can help alleviate pain and inflammation, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Next, improved sleep. The act of massaging castor oil into the skin before bedtime can promote relaxation and stress relief, leading to better sleep quality. Applying castor oil facilitates detoxification. Castor oil packs applied to the abdomen before bed are believed to stimulate detoxification processes in the body, supporting overall health and well-being. And there you have it, my friends. The incredible benefits of using castor oil before bed: strengthen lashes, soothe dry skin, and promote a restful night's sleep. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Share it with a friend who needs the magic of castor oil. Until next time, stay radiant. Remember, folks, castor oil is like a little bottle of enchantment. Use it wisely and let the magic unfold.